Danke bafowethu, breaking news following ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ixoshe ucoach Nabi. Guess what, bakhiphe istatement-ke bafowethu ukuthi angeke bathole omunye ucoach ozoba i-head coach. Ocoach abayi-2 laba abalidi Kaizer Chiefs, uKhalil Ben Yusuf noCedric Kaza, yibo abazolidi Kaizer Chiefs until kuphela isizini bafowethu. I don't know if this is a great decision from bona, because la sikhuluma ngama-assistant coach afike noNabi ethimini ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so kuyibo ama-head coach we-Kaizer Chiefs. Kanjani? Are they well equipped ukuthi bathathe i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibeke esicongweni bazokwazi ukufayitha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi i-authority bafowethu bazokwazi ukumelana nama-player, because bonakala ngathi like ama-player yiwo anepower kakhulu kunabo coaches, ababonakali njengo-coach abazokwazi ukubalalela that much. Let's go back to the fact that bafuna ukumreplace ubani umfowethu laphana uNtwari ezangafuna ukuphuma. So o-coach laba bazokwazi ukulida i-Kaizer Chiefs na? I mean, this is surprising ngempela bafowethu ukuthi ba-announce labo assistant coach formally ukuthi yibo aba-take over until isizini le iphela. Kusho ukuthi bazocoach i-Kaizer Chiefs until June 2026. 2 assistant coach, i-club enkulu, but umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi i-pressure yako-Kaizer Chiefs nokuthi balide i-project enkulu kangaka this season bazokwazi na? And ngiyazi ukuthi obviously-ke bafowethu ama-opinion wabantu are-divided, but asingeneni kubo sibone ukuthi mhlampe bangenza kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi what will they bring. I-era kacoach Nabi iphelile yesi siyabona. Coach Nabi ucoach i-full season ne-Kaizer Chiefs, waqala ne-season kancane but kwaba nama-complications, waba ney'nkinga. I think weeks back ucoach Nabi-ke besebamxoshile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but bebasalinde nje ukuthi ba-finalize izinto before ba-announce ilokhunjana i-mutual agreement yabo ukuthi vele sebamxoshile. Finally today baku-announce-ile lokho. Coach Nabi ufike Kaizer Chiefs nama-ideas amakhulu, nama-expectations amakhulu, ne-vision enkulu, i-project ukuthi a-rebuild i-Kaizer Chiefs, but uhlulekile ukubuild i-Kaizer Chiefs e-discipline. Kaizer Chiefs highly competitive, bekukhona la ucoach Nabi axega khona, but-ke singamhlonipha ukuthi ukwazile ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup. Noma kuthiwa isizini yakhe ibhede kanjani wafinisha outside ilokhunjana i-top 8, but ukwazile ukuba winele i-cup for the first time in almost 10 years. Guess what ku-coach Nabi? Ufika nawo lama-assistant coaches wabo, abantu bakaNabi, abantu abakhulela under structure sakaNabi, even laphane kuyanga ulo uCedric bekhona laphane esiza ucoach Nabi. Kusho ukuthi la ucoach Nabi ayakhona bekamdonsa ulo Cedric ukuthi woza ndoda, ngikufuna la eceleni kwami ukuthi ubone ufunde nezinto. So ukufika kwaNabi laphana, obviously-ke uchoose i-technical team yakhe, even nabo goalkeeper coach nabanye, so i-technical team kaNabi bahambisa uNabi kuphela bashiya i-technical team yakhe. Ngazi ukuthi lokho kuzobasebenzela. But-ke ezinye izinto bafethu uNabi ka-complain ngazo ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi abamtholelanga ama-player lawa yena bekawafuna. So uKhalil Ben Yusuf bafethu une-history nje yokuba yi-assistant coach. At the same time umsebenzi wakho omunye unokusebenza as i-analyst, so ziningi umsebenzi awenzayo like laphana ethimini, but ukuthi abe yi-head coach, it is surprising. Ama-player-ke but-ke amdescribe ukuthi ucoach o-intelligent, ongekho phezulu kakhulu. I-frustration yakhe akayibonisi kakhulu compared to abanye ucoach. For example, ucoach Nabi simbona ukuthi ufurious ebhenchini. So uKhalil Ben kune-sense of ukuba easy ne-sense of easiness laphana ebhenchini. Uletha i-structure, simbonile like laphana bashaya nge-formation e-different. I remember this other game badlalisa uMarco as a-wing back, emva kwakhe babeke uCross, and then angisakhumbula ukuthi bebabeke uModi laphana phambili na. Kusho ukuthi nje line eyodwa bawu-3 laphana, and leyo nto leyo ikwazile ukuba create ama-opportunities. Unfortunately they could not win that game. uCedric other hand nayo unayo experience ebholeni in terms of ukuba i-assistant coach kabani kaNabi. Akakaze amele, uke wamela kancane kuma-countries amancane, but akaze amela wabonakala ngempela. I mean, umsebenzi ukuthi athole umsebenzi ongaka ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs iyabonisa ukuthi iyabathemba labo coaches labo bawu-2, but inkinga ukuthi i-authority izoba khona na, ama-player azobahlonipha na o-coach, considering the fact ukuthi abanawo nama-long term contracts. Bayazi ukuthi whether they do good as ama-player or do bad, but ama-coaches ngo-2026 azohamba, unless if enza kangcono a-rescue isizini ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Mhlawumbe i-Kaizer Chiefs abafuna ukubhidliza lento le yakhe ucoach Nabi, that is why begcina abo-coach abafike no-coach Nabi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. But-ke nabo bayazama uku-implementa i-style sabo, but sawubona ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ngeke ikwazi uku-interfere because i-management isikhathi esiningi njengoba bengishilo previous clip ukuthi bahlezi base-stadium, bahlezi ba-present and ulokhunjana I think baya-communicate no-Cedric. Why? Uhlezi afake leya nto le endlebeni. Leya nto ayifakwa just nje kusho ukuthi ucommunicate nani direct ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Management ye-Kaizer Chiefs elaphana kuma-stand ukuthi hey ndoda zama kanje, zama kanje, zama kanje. Yeah, i-challenge inkulu-ke kubo coach abayi-2 bafana uBenny no-Cedric. Njengoba bengishilo abanayo experience that much as ama-head coach, especially team enkulu kangaka. So i-task yabo ngempela ukuthi ba-rescue isizini ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Already bonakala seyi-shaky. Team inconsistent laphana in front of amagoli, yahluleka ukuwavalela amagoli, ba-create ama-opportunities amaningi but bayahluleka. So bona kumele bakwazi ukulungisa i-space laphana se-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakwazi ukushaya amagoli, babe ne-rhythm laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Siyazi ukuthi ama-injuries one of the key players, let's say maybe ama-players angakwazi uku-add i-impact kufana nabo Ighodaro and then uDotli nabo Msimang laphana affect i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu, but when they recover and join the team izokwazi ukuba highly competitive again. So yeah, I mean sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukuconnecta nama-player nama-youngsters laphana, especially i-Kaizer Chiefs because nama-youngsters amaningi, bakwazi ukudlalisa nalabafana laba abapromote from i-DDC team noma ngithi i-DDC challenge. So sobona ukuthi bona manje sebafula in charge, sebasho manje ukuthi yazini yibo abaphethe iy'ntambo lapha, yibo abazodecide ngempela ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoba yi-failure or izoba yi-success. Konke sokulele kubo, kusezandleni zabo, then kuzoya ngabo ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. They have to show maybe a bit of arrogance, but the most important thing would be ama-results. Ayikho into e-better than ama-results. They have to get ama-results, otherwise ngeke bayiqede isizini. But at the same time singasho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs technically yinto i-choice engconywana ukuthi bayekele o-coach ukuthi baqede isizini. Why? Because already i-foundation seyikhona, just nje kumele baqhubeke la u-coach nabo bagcine khona. I mean nabo basebenze close no-coach nabo, kusho ukuthi coach nabo bayabona ukuthi okay under lama-coach lawo i-team iya-improve, maybe labo coach laba bowu-2 uBen no-Cedric bangenza kangconywana. So yeah, you just have to wait and see bafowethu ku-continental level ukuthi bazokwazi ukuqualify at least for ama-group stages, badlala ama-match awu-6 ku-continental level, or indaba yabo nje izovela iphelile emoyeni ukuthi bangakwazi ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs on the continental level. But yeah, ngibafisela inhlanhla, but-ke ama-fans are divided ngempela ukuthi are they well equipped ukuthi balide i-Kaizer Chiefs, team enkulu kakhulu le bafowethu. So yeah, I mean let's just wait and see, singablame kakhulu bafowethu, but-ke let's just wait and see ukuthi bazokwazi ukudlala kahle nokuletha ama-results. Thank you bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.